Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw crypto on BitMart Exchange into your external wallet. BitMart is a cryptocurrency exchange that was launched in 2017 and is one of the top 20 cryptocurrency exchanges by volume. They allow spot trading, futures, and crypto purchases via credit card. Alright, let me open the app. By the way, if you haven't registered on BitMart, check video description for the sign up link to register. Here's how BitMart Exchange looks like. For me, the app looks very neat and pleasing to the eyes. Below, you will see menu tabs like Home, Markets, Trade, Futures, and Assets. To deposit and withdraw tokens, you tap on Assets. Here, you will see your total value and the coins you have. Underneath, you will see deposit, withdraw, and transfer buttons. To add funds to your account, click on deposit. Here, you scroll down to look for the token or search on the search bar. Let me look for Dogecoin. Here, you can scan the QR code to deposit or copy the address. This process is for crypto deposits from other wallet. In my case, I can use my Binance Exchange. Let me open my Binance account. And paste your BitMart deposit address here. Let me do it now. Go back to BitMart and then copy your address and paste it here. Input the amount. And once done, just click on withdraw. Let me give you another sample. Let me look for ETH or Ethereum. Here, just the same process. You can copy the address or scan the QR code to deposit. Another way is to add fund on your BitMart account by tapping Home and then click on Buy Coins. Tap on Buy again. Here, you can purchase several cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and others using credit card via MoonPay. And then pick the token you want to purchase. Let me choose USDC and click on Next. And then you will be redirected to MoonPay website. Here, you input the amount you want to purchase. Below, you will see its price and the amount you will be getting. Once done, click on Continue and just proceed with the process. This time, I'll show you how to withdraw cryptocurrency on BitMart Exchange. Go back to Assets and then click on Withdraw. Here, you can scroll down to look for the token or type on the search bar to look for the coin. Let me look for Bitcoin or BTC. Here, you need to input your withdrawal address. In my case, I want to use my Cryptocom app to receive my Bitcoin withdrawal. Please do remember that BitMart Exchange does not support local bank withdrawal yet. This tutorial is only for external wallet. By the way, if you don't have Cryptocom app account, you can check video description for the sign up link and get $25 sign up bonus. Let me copy my Bitcoin address here. Once copied, go back to BitMart Exchange and then paste it here. Input the amount you want to withdraw, and then below, you will see its network fee. For Bitcoin, the withdrawal fee will be 0.0005 BTC. Once decided, just click on Withdraw. Let's try a different token. Let me look for ETH or Ethereum. Let me use my Cryptocom app again to receive my ETH withdrawal. So just the same thing, copy your ETH deposit address and paste it here. And then input the amount you want to withdraw. For ETH, withdrawal network fee will be 0.005 ETH. Once done, just click on Withdraw. You can also transfer fund internally on BitMart Exchange. Just click on Transfer. Here, you can transfer fund from spot wallet to fiat wallet or vice versa. Just select the token you want to transfer, input the amount, and once decided, click on Transfer. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials.